Want to close on your Colorado home in 30 days instead of 90? I'm about to tell you the one thing that separates lightning fast closings from absolute nightmares. And it's probably not what you're expecting. Let me paint you a picture. Right now, there are two buyers in Colorado Springs, Sarah and Mike. Sarah and Mike both applied for mortgages on the exact same day, same credit score, same down payment, and same lender. Sarah got her keys in 28 days while Mike, he's still waiting at day 78, absolutely losing his mind, wondering why this is taking forever. So what's the difference? It's not their credit, not their down payment, not even their lender. It's something so simple that most buyers completely miss it. And you're probably doing the same thing right now. Here's the truth. Your responsiveness is your secret weapon. Look, some buyers close in 30 days while others drag on for months. And the biggest difference is how fast you send your documents when your loan officer asks for them. Think about it. Your file is sitting on an underwriter's desk in Denver right now alongside dozens of other files. Every single person wants their dream home just as badly as you do. But here's what nobody tells you. When you wait to send your pay stub or bank statement, you're not just adding hours to your timeline. You're adding days and sometimes weeks. Because that underwriter, they're not going to sit around waiting for you. They'll grab the next complete file and work on that instead. So when you finally send your documents 3 days later, guess what? You're back at the end of the line. But when you respond fast, like within an hour, something magical happens. You create momentum that carries throughout the whole entire process. Picture this, the underwriter asks for an updated pay stub. You get the text, scan it from your phone, and boom, it's back in 30 minutes. The underwriter is still in your file. They can process it immediately and keep moving things forward. And here's the thing most loan officers won't admit. Underwriters are human too. When they see a file that moves quickly, when they see a responsive buyer, they'll start to prioritize it. Not because they have to, but because it's easier. Because it feels good to work on something that's actually moving forward. I've seen buyers in Pueblo and Colorado Springs close in 21 days because they treated the document requests like emergency alerts. Phone buzzes, documents get sent, done. I've also seen people drag it out for months because they treat requests like laundry, just letting it pile up until you can't ignore it anymore. The best Colorado buyers understand something crucial. You're not just along for the ride, you're driving this thing. Your loan officer isn't asking for documents to annoy you. They're trying to get you into your home as fast as possible, but they can only move as fast as you do. So here's how to become the MVP of your home buying team.
MVP!
1. When your loan officer texts or emails, treat it like your boss is calling. If you can't reply immediately, just say when you can. Communication is everything. 2. Keep everything ready. Pay stubs, bank statements, W-2s, tax returns. Keep digital copies in a folder on your phone. When they ask for 2 months of pay stubs, send it to them in 2 minutes, not 2 days. The fastest closings happen when you stop waiting to be told what to do and start asking what's next or what can I prepare for now. Don't let slow paperwork keep you from your dream of owning a home. Be the buyer that closes in 30 days and shocks everyone with how smooth it was. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home buying tips. And remember, every situation is unique. If you'd like a personalized analysis of how much home you can afford, you can book a free call using the link in the description. Thank you for watching.